Hey BROCHIKAS, welcome back to my channel. So for today we're gonna do a little Forever 21 haul. It's not a lot of stuff. It looks like a lot of stuff, but it's not. Here's the big old bag I got. It looks really big. It looks like it's a lot of stuff, but it's basically essentially an outfit. So I had about 50-60 bucks to spend at Forever 21, and this was like last week, maybe the week before, I can't remember. But they also had a sale that's in-store only, that $1, $5, $7, $9 sale that they did when they went bankrupt. So they've been having that again. It's in-store only, not online. And I have still been shopping for my new wardrobe and my new style, you know. So I decided to go and take a look in there and see what I could find. So if you guys want to see the outfit I put together for basically $55, then just keep watching. I don't know what it is about like turning my camera on that I literally get out of breath. I haven't even been talking that long. I'm already out of breath. I don't know what it is. So yeah, let's just get into what's in this big old bag. Let me show you the reason why the bag is so huge. This was a part of the in-store sale that they're having at the moment. All of the outerwear was $9. So I got this black bomber jacket, and I will plug in a picture of how it looks on, but it's just your regular black bomber jacket. I got it in a size large, and it actually keeps you really warm. And I do have a winter jacket, but it's gray and it's red and it's reversible, so sometimes I just want something black to go with a regular all black outfit. So I just got this black bomber. It's actually pretty good quality to come from Forever 21, and the original price of this was $39.99. Wait, $39.90. So yeah, I got it for $9. I think that's a steal. I like how it has the silver zipper and then silver buttons, and it does have pockets. So yeah, really comfortable. There's no hood on it. They did have a choice where it was half bomber, half teddy, and I almost got that one, except for it had a collar, and I was thinking it would interrupt my foundation and kind of get makeup all over it. So I just went with this short collar, and it doesn't interfere with my foundation and all that good stuff. So yeah, picked this up for $9. It's an absolute steal, and it literally goes with anything and everything except for dressy outfits, but casual outfits goes with anything, and you can put a hoodie under it and it looks cute. I really like the way it looks with leggings and joggers. So it's just kind of like a throw-on athleisure item. Woosah, bro, I gotta breathe. Another thing that I got from the clearance section. So this was $5 because all of the tops were $5. I found this guy right here, and it's actually in a size extra large. I love it. It's oversized. It's completely oversized, but it's like such a beautiful oversized, and I'll show you guys the outfit at the end, like the whole put together outfit. But it looks so good when you just tuck in the front to the jeans. And yeah, this color, I actually really like it. It's not too orangey where it looks like it can only be worn in fall, but it's also not a regular nude. It's more of like a, I guess like clay nude, I would say. And it's just a super oversized, like flowy shirt. It's got a little button here on the back of the sleeve and a little collar. And I like how the buttons are hidden. So the buttons are the same color as the shirt, and it has this flap to hide them. And I really like that because I have tiggle bitties, and usually I have issues with shirts and buttons, and they want to open like that, which is another reason why I like to size up 2 sizes when it comes to button-up shirts. And I don't know what material this is. I don't know what the fabric is. It says woven shirt, and it's from the contemporary line. And I've been really into finding the contemporary line of Forever 21 because it looks more grown up and adult, I guess. It says 100% viscose. But I like the texture of it. It's very breezy. It's very comfortable. You can take this like all year round. Like you can wear the shirt all year round. It's gonna go great into spring and into summer. It says it's the shade mauve, but it's not a pinky mauve at all. And I got this for $5, like I said. It was originally $19.90, so it's a pretty good steal. And because it's a neutral, you can rewear this with like so many different things. I see this with Bermuda shorts and a belt. I see this with white pants. I see this with black pants, blue jean pants. You can just rewear this so many times. Again, you will see this tried on if you just stay tuned till the end so you can grasp the entire outfit and every piece. If I just try on the one piece like that, you're not gonna grasp my vision, okay? I'm gonna show you the last piece that I got from the sales section, and that's gonna be a little pair of sandals. So the sandals were $5. Last time they had this crazy sale, the sandals were $3, but this time they were $5. I'm sure they'll go down eventually, but they didn't have an 8.5, and usually I'm an 8.5, but it ends up that the 8 fits me perfectly. So I got a size 8 in these, and I love this brown. This brown is so pretty. It looks like spring, it looks like summer. I love it. And at first I thought, okay, how are my chunky feet going to fit in this and walk with this small little strap, right? So there was a string tying these together, and it's like hard to tie on shoes when you have that. So I took it off and then walked around in these, and they actually hold your feet really, really well. I've always been nervous with that one small strap up here. I'm like, how does that hold your foot? You know what I mean? But it actually does. So I really like the buckle detail. It's like a gold, obviously fake. I really like the brown. I really like the tan. And these were originally $15.90. Then they went on sale for $7. Then I got them for $5. This is gonna be a really cute summer shoe. And I like this color too because my hugest thing in picking out pieces now is, can I wear this with tons of other pieces and basics in my wardrobe that I have already? And for these ones, they're gonna go with white jeans and a white t-shirt, and they're gonna go with light blue jeans and a white t-shirt. They're gonna go with a tan t-shirt. They can go with khakis. They're gonna go with so many things because they're neutrals. So this is gonna be a staple for spring and summer. Now we move on to the regular section. I did buy a few pieces that were not on sale because it was just an essential need for my wardrobe. I do have a pair of black skinny jeans, but they're ankle jeans, so they cut a little bit higher, so they don't look good with every single outfit and every single shoe. Not to mention, they are kind of tight. They're from Ross, and like, they're just so, like, I love Ross's stuff, but some of the jeans in the junior section and the tops are inconsistent. You wash them like first they fit, and then you wash them a couple times, and it's like they're 2 sizes smaller. So on my skinny days, I fit in them fine. And if I wear shapewear, I fit in them fine, but they're not the most comfortable because they are pretty tight right here on my waist. And I'm trying to focus on wearing things that don't make me feel guilty for how my body is shaped. I don't want to wear pieces that make me feel like I need to lose weight because they're too tight on me. I want to wear pieces that are comfortable and feel good on my body and make me love myself. So I said I need a new pair of black jeans, just regular black jeans. So I went to their jeans section and I found these regular ones. Don't mind the white marks. There's like lint and stuff because I haven't washed them yet, but these are a size 31. That is the size that fits me at Forever 21. I don't know, I think that's a 12, I would guess. And these are $17.99 regular price, which is still such a steal, not even bad. But I like how these are like firm, but they do have stretch. It's not the kind of stretch that you lose throughout the day and then you have to wash them and dry them again. Because I do have I have 2 more pairs of Forever 21 jeans, and I actually really like them, and they actually last really long, which is very surprising. So these are mid-rise skinny. I have to do mid-rise because I do have a pair of high-rise from Forever 21, and they're like too high, okay? They come up to like literally my boobs. So I got the mid-rise, and they're perfect. And yeah, they're just like a regular black jean. I like how the zipper is black though. There's no holes, no rips. It is a regular black skinny jean. This is just a staple in the wardrobe and I just needed a fresh pair. I have plenty of blue jeans and yeah, staple, gonna wear that with tons of things. By this point, I was like creating an outfit because I found the shirt first and I was just like, this shirt, I wanna style it. I wanna make an outfit, which is why I got the black pants. And then I saw the sandals, so I was like, oh, that could match too. And then I was like, I need a belt. I need a focal point. I need somewhere in the middle that the eye is drawn towards, right? So I thought of a belt, and I don't really wear belts. I don't really have any cute, nice, classy looking belts, like expensive looking belts. So you can look expensive without being expensive. So from Forever 21, I got this belt that was $7.99, original price, not on sale or anything. And I believe it's trying to be a Gucci belt, but I don't care because it's not trying so hard that you look like you're wearing a fake. It just looks like a nice design. I like the two half circles like this. It's gold and it's a black belt and it's very just clean looking. Just wait until you see this outfit. It looks so clean and so classic and good. I got mine in the size medium large, and I know that this can go with just so many outfits. And then I said to myself, I'm gonna need some sort of a necklace or something to bring this all together. So of course, I got a little necklace from Forever 21. I love their jewelry, even though it's not like the best quality. I just love their jewelry section. They have really cute necklaces for really cheap. So I picked up this little chokery layered necklace. It's just got two chains, one with like little ovals and then this really tiny, I don't even know what to call that, but I thought it was really cute and really dainty. I wanted to get the coins, but I just couldn't find anything that felt right, so I just did this plain one because I feel like it's so plain and so basic that it could just go with anything, you know? So this was $4.90. Now I'm going to put the whole outfit on and show you guys how I styled myself. BROCHIKAS, so that's all I got for this video, but I hope that you enjoyed it and I hope it inspired somebody. If you want to see more hauls and more like fashion-y videos, please be sure to support my channel by clicking the like button and subscribing so you won't miss those videos, and maybe watch an ad or two, I don't know, so I can go shopping again. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching and I will see you in the next one. Bye.